Hi children, we are continuing write the place value. Okay? Place the beads according to the number, learn to read the number and write its name. That's what we're going to do. Now, we'll begin from on the right you have 5 ones. How many ones? 5. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the place value of the ones here? This number 5 is 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 5 ones. 5 is in the ones place. Now in the tens place, you have 2. The place value of the 2 number is 20. So 110, 210, 20. Okay? The place value of the 3, it's in the 100 place. How many hundreds? How many beads shall we put? 3. One bead is 100. 100. Another 100 and one more 100. Each bead is 100. Now you have 4 in the 1000 place and each bead is 1000. So how many beads shall we draw? 4. 1000, 2000, 3000 and 4000. So you draw 4 beads for 4000. Alright? 1, 2, 3 and 4. And next, having put all the beads correctly, 5, 2, 3 and 4. And now let's read 4325. So let's write the numbers name. Having learned the place value, let's write the name. 4000, 4000. Next, 300, 300. 4325 and 25. So we learn the place value of 2 is 10, place value of 4 is 1000, place value of 3 is 100, place value of 2 is 1. We learned. And now we learned to write the numbers name. One more. Now, I have here 2, 3, 4 and 6. Okay, now I have a number for you. I want you to place the value of 6 is ones. Very good. So how many beads should you draw? 6 ones. So 6 beads you will draw. 6 ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. Now, how many tens do we have? 4 tens. Each bead is 10. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 10, 20, 30, 40. Next is hundreds. How many hundreds? 300. Each bead is 100. 100, 200 and 300. And finally you have 1000. Each bead is 1000. How many thousands are there? 2000s. 1000, 2000. So we placed the beads as per the color order. How many say ones? 6 ones. How many beads? Each bead is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4. 4 is in the tens place. So What is the place value of 4? 4, 10. So how many beads should you draw? 4, 10, 20, 30, 40. Place value of 3 is in the hundreds and each bead should be 100. How many beads should you draw? 3. 100, 200, 300. The place value of 2 is in the thousand and each bead is 1000. So how many beads should you draw? 2000, 1000, 2000. Now we must write the name of the number. Let's read out 2346. 2000, 2000. 2300. 300 and 46 and 46. 3000, 2346. Today we learned, what did we learn? The place value of each number. 5 is in the ones place, 2 is in the tens place, 3 is in the hundreds, and 4 is in the thousand place. The place value of each number, learning to read the number 4325 and learning to write the name of the number. What is the name of the number? 4325. We learn to place the numbers. We learn to draw the beads correctly. We learn to read the number and write the number's name.